Hello children, let's come back to our maths class. Today we are going to continue with our exercise 7.8. In the previous class we have covered 6 sums from exercise 7.8 and today we are going to continue with the remaining sums. So I want all of you to get ready with your classwork. Take down your classwork, write down today's date. Take down your classwork, write down today's date, copy down question number 7 from exercise 7.8. We have already completed till 6. I hope you have completed your homeworks. I have given you sum number 2, sum number 4 and sum number 6 as homework. Complete all the work, children. Do not keep any work pending. Now copy down sum number 7. Find the dimensions of the rectangle with maximum area that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Copy down the question. Find the dimensions of the rectangle with maximum area that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find out here what is given and we have to find out the function. Then you know what you should do. First we have to find out f dash x. After finding f dash x, we have to equate with 0 so that we'll get the critical value. Then you have to find out f double dash x, and from f double dash x we come to know whether it is maximum or minimum. Then the next step is whatever is unknown, we have to find out that part. Clear children? So we are just going to follow the same procedure that we have used in our previous sums. Okay, so before continuing with the answers, we have to draw the figure over here. So let's draw the figure. I hope you have taken on the question. Okay, let's draw the figure. So find the dimensions of the rectangle with maximum area that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 10 cm. So you have to draw a circle. So before drawing a circle, let's draw the x-axis and y-axis. Draw a circle passing through the x-axis and the y-axis. After drawing a circle, you have to inscribe a rectangle inside the circle. So draw a rectangle inside the circle. Draw a rectangle. Draw rectangle, take this as x, x, take this as y, y. So the total length of the rectangle is 2x and the total breadth of the rectangle is 2y. And I know the radius of the circle, so from the origin, just draw a radius and this is 10 centimeter. So draw the figure. So I have drawn the x-axis and the y-axis. I have drawn the radius of the circle. Draw properly. First you draw the x-axis and the y-axis. Then draw a circle which is passing through the x-axis and the y-axis. After drawing the circle, you have to just inscribe one rectangle inside the circle. We have taken the length as 2x for a rectangle and 2y for the breadth. Okay, now let's write down the given part over here. See, I know that this is 90 degree, and since this length is x, this will be also x. So write down, given, this is sum number 7, given x square plus y square is equal to 10 square. I have used the Pythagoras theorem. So this is x and this is y. So one side square plus other side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So x square plus y square is equal to 10 square. Once we know the given part, we have to just find out the value for y also. So I get here y square is equal to 10 square minus x square. So I'll find out the value for y. It is equal to square root of 100 minus x square. This is y square. Y square is 10 square minus x square. So y will be square root of this value. What is 10 square? 100 minus x square. So we have found the value for y also. So I got a equation, and from the equation I have found the value for y. Now here we have to find out what is the function. So what is the function over here? Just read the question once again. The function is the maximum area. They are talking about the area as maximum. That means you have to consider the area as a function. So right down here, let f of x is equal to. See, they are asking you the rectangle with maximum area. So we are not talking about the area of a circle. We are talking about the area of a rectangle. So what is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. So what is the length here? It is 2x. And what is the breadth here? 2y. So you have to take the length as 2x and the breadth as 2y. So I get here 4xy. 2x into 2y, which is equal to 4xy. Now here we have the function in two variables. We never keep the function in two variables. It's not easy for calculation. So you have to make it a single variable. So I'll substitute the value for y over here. So I'll get this is equal to 4x square root of 100 minus x square. Here are the steps. So I've taken on the function 4x square root of 100 minus x square. Okay, have you taken down? So now what I am going to do here is, this is in terms of A, okay, this is area of the rectangle. Here we have square, so we'll just square this. So I'll get here a square is equal to 16 x square, and this becomes 100 minus x square. So we are going to consider this as the function. 16 x square, 100 minus x square is our function. It doesn't make a difference, okay? A and a square. So we can just take this as our function. So a square is 16 x square 100 minus x square. So I'll assume the function here f of x is equal to 16 x square 100 minus x square. Okay. Once we know the function, we can find out f dash x. So let me find out f dash x here. So before going to f dash x, I just have one more step. I'll keep the constant outside here 16. Then multiply x square to the bracket. So I get here 100 into x square minus x raised to 4. So that the derivation will be easy. Take down f of x. Okay, have you taken down? Come on, do f dash x. Find f dash x. When you find f dash x, don't do anything to 16. Keep 16 as it is. So this will be 16. Derivation of x square is 2x. Okay, so 2x into 100 will give you 200x. And derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cubed. So we have found the answer for f dash x. What is the derivative for f dash x? It is 16 into 200x minus 4x cubed. Into 200x minus 4x cubed. Okay, so now let me continue further. What I'll do here is I'll just take 4 common out here so that the calculation becomes easier. So I'll write down here, therefore f dash x is equal to 16 here. I'll take 4 common out. If I take 4 common out, 4 5s are 20, 0, so 50x. I get 50x minus x cubed. 50x. I've just taken the constant common. I have not taken x common, okay? I have just taken the constant 4s common. So I get 16 into 4. This is 50x minus x cube. Okay, now what is the next step? We have to equate f dash x is equal to 0. Around here, f dash x is equal to 0 implies 64, it goes to that side, it becomes 0. So only take out this part. 50x minus x cube is equal to 0. Therefore, 50x is equal to x cube. So we can cancel 1x and x. I get x square is equal to 50. Therefore, x is equal to plus minus of root 50. Therefore, x is equal to plus minus of root 50. You can just factorize this further. 2, 25, 5, 5. This is 5 root 2. Remember here, x is equal to plus minus 5 root 2. We don't take the negative value, I have told you, because we are dealing with the length and the breadth of the rectangle. So we are going to take only the positive value. So therefore, x is equal to 5 root 2. So we have found one value. We have found the critical value for x as 5 root 2. Straight up the step. Okay, so now let's go for f double dash x. So this is our f dash x. So I take f double dash x from this step. I'll get here f double dash x is equal to, this is a constant part, so keep the constant part outside, that is 64. And now come here. This is 50 into x, which gives you 50 x cubed. So 3x squared. So I get here 50 minus 3x squared. I don't know whether the value is positive or negative. So what I am going to do is I am just going to substitute the value for x in f double dash x. Let's put here. Therefore, f double dash 5 root 2 is equal to 64, 50 minus 3, 5 root 2 square. This is 64, 50 minus 5 root 2 square is nothing but root 50 square. Root 50 square will be 50. So 3 into 50 will give you 150. So this is 64 minus 100. So 64 into minus 100, I am going to get a negative answer. So you can just say this is less than 0. If it is less than 0, then you have to say that it is maximum. We have to show that the area was maximum. So I am getting a negative answer here. That means the area is maximum. So just mention here it is maximum. It is maximum. Now we know the value for x. So now only the one thing left out is we have to find out the value for y. So let's find out the value for y. I'll just continue over here. So y is equal to square root of 100 minus x square. Therefore y is equal to 100 minus x square. That means, what is the value for x square? 50. I'll put here directly 50. So y is equal to root of 50. So if it is root of 50, I get the answer as 5 root 2. No need to take the negative one, just go with the positive value. So we have found the value for x and we have found the value for y. We have not completed our sum. The question was to find out the dimensions of the rectangle. So what is the dimension of the rectangle? The length of the rectangle is 2x and the breadth of the rectangle is 2y. So we have to find out the value for 2x and we have to find out the value for 2y. Therefore, length of the rectangle is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 5 root 2, 10 root 2. What is the unit given? Centimeter. So 10 root 2 centimeter. We have found the length of the rectangle. Now we have to find out the breadth of the rectangle. Find out the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, let's find breadth of the rectangle right down here. Therefore, breadth of the rectangle is equal to 2y, which is equal to 2 into 5 root 2, 10 root 2 centimeters. So we have found the length and the breadth of the rectangle. They have asked you the dimension. Dimension means to find the length and the breadth. So we have shown that it is maximum also because we have found the answer for f double dash x is negative. If it is negative, it is maximum. If it is positive, it is minimum. So we have completed our sum number 7. Complete your answers. Try to do the steps by yourself. So this was sum number 7. I want you to take down your homework as sum number 8 and sum number 9. You are going to complete sum number 8 and 9 as homework. And now we are going to copy down question number 10. Take down question number 10. A manufacturer wants to design an open box having a square base and a surface area of 108 square centimeter. Determine the dimensions of the box for the maximum volume. So here the volume of the box is maximum. That means the function should be taken as the volume of the box. Take down question number 10. We have draw figure for sum number 10. It's an open box. Open box means we don't have a pack on the top part. It is open. So draw a box. They say the base part is a square part. That means if this is A, this is also going to be A. The base part is, it is a square, so you will have the length and the breadth same. So I have taken it as AA and I take the height as H. I have taken the length as A, I have taken the breadth as A and have taken the height as H. And here we have only the open, this is the open part. Here we don't have anything, okay? This is just open. So we are just going to focus about 5 sides. What is that? 5 sides. The bottom part, left, right, back and front. Only which part is missing here? The top part is missing. Draw the figure. Okay, so I am just going to write the surface area for this first. Around here, surface area is equal to, surface area means we are just going to cover all the sides over here. So what is the side for the bottom part? It is A into A, which it is A square, yes, because the length and the breadth are same. So the area will be A square. So I will get here A square. When I talk about this part, it will be a rectangular part. Rectangular part means length into breadth. So what is the length of over here? It's A and you can take the breadth as H. So I get here AH. Okay, so this is for bottom part. This is for left. For right again I get AH. Then for front side I will get AH again. And for back again I will get AH. So this is how you get the surface area. See, Bottom, here they have mentioned that it is an open box. That means you don't have to consider the area on the upper part. So we have only 5 sides to be considered. Front, back, left, right and bottom, no top. So for bottom you will get the square as A into A because it's a square base area. That means length and width will be same, A into A square. For left you have to take AH, for right it will be same. Back same and front it will be same. So how many AHs here? 4 AH. So you write down therefore SA is equal to A square plus 4AH. And they have given you the value for surface area as 108. So this is equal to 108. So I know the value for surface area, that is A square plus 4AH is equal to 108. Okay, so now we are going to just find out the value for h from this given part. So I'll take this as a given part. So write down here, therefore 4AH is equal to 108 minus A square. I'm going to find out the value for h. So 4AH is equal to 108 minus A square. Therefore h is equal to 108 minus A square upon 4A. Write down the value for h. It's 108 minus A square upon 4A. I hope you are clear with the first part. We have just found out what is given to us. So what is given to us? The surface area is given to us as 108. The surface area is given as 108. So I have just found the formula for surface area. Since this is the open box, we have to consider only the 5 sides, leaving the top part. So I get the formula for SA as A square plus 4AH. And using the given part, I have found the value for h. See, like we get the equation in terms of x and y, and we find out the value for ys. Similarly, here we have got the answer in terms of a and h, and we have found the value for h. Okay, so this was the first thing we have done. Now the next thing is we have to find out the function over here, and I have told you that volume of the box is maximum. Yes, children? So the function is the volume of the box. The volume formula is length into breadth into height. So let's write out the function. Write out. So let f of x is equal to volume of the box, length into base into height. Length and the base are same because the base is a square. So I get here a into height is h. So this is equal to a square h. Let f of x is equal to a square h. I have taken the volume as the function because they have asked you to show that volume of the box is maximum. So I have defined the function as a square h. Now here we have again two variables a and h. So we are just going to make it as a single variable. So you know how to make it as a single variable. Just substitute the value for h over here. So I get this is equal to a square. In place of h, I am going to write this value. This is 108 minus a square upon 4a. I have just substituted the value for h. I can cancel a and 1a from here. So what is left here? A. 108 minus a square upon 4. So this is equal to a into 108 minus a square upon 4. Just understand? So I can just write out this properly as I take 1 upon 4 constant, because when we take the derivation we don't go for the constant. So take 1 upon 4 constant and just multiply with a to the bracket. So I get this as 108a minus a cube. So I have found the value for f of x properly. So this is our fx. F of x is equal to 1 upon 4, 108a minus a cube. 108a minus a cube. I hope you are clear till this step, children. So we have just completed the function part also. So now what is the next step we have to do here? Yes, we have to find out f dash x. Complete f of x. Okay, now let's continue with the next step. So now we have to find out f dash x here. So when you find f dash x, keep this 1 upon 4 as it is. Do not change this 1 upon 4. Now let's find out the derivation of the inner part. So this is 108 into a. So what is the derivation of a? It is 1. So I get the answer is 108 minus a cube. So what is the derivation of a cube? It is 3a square. So I get here minus 3a square. See here, I have found the derivation. I get here 1 upon 4. I am just going to keep it as it is. Derivation of a is 1. So 108 minus 3a square. Now we are doing a differentiation with respect to a. So f dash x is equal to 1 upon 4, 108 minus 3a square. Okay, we just continue further. So now we have to equate this with equal to 0. Before equating with 0, we can just have one more step here. I'll take 3 common out. So when I take 3 common out, I'll get 3 upon 4. And this is 3 3s are 9 and 6. So 36 minus a square. I have taken 3 common out. It's a constant. I am not taking, here I cannot take a also common, but I am just going to take the constant number common. That is 3 I am going to take common. So I get this is 36 minus a square. Complete f dash x. I get 3 upon 4, 36 minus a square. Have you completed f dash x, children? So after completing f dash x, we have to equate f dash x is equal to 0. Let's put f dash x is equal to 0. I get here f dash x is equal to 0, which implies 3 upon 4 when it goes to the right hand side it will turn to 0. So just take down the bracket part. I get 36 minus a square is equal to 0, which implies 36 is equal to a square. Therefore a is equal to 6. Again here we are talking about the dimensions of the cube. Yes, children, so no need to go for the negative sign, just consider the positive sign. So the value for a is equal to 6. Now we have found the value for a. Okay, what is the next thing to be done? Now we have to check out whether the volume of the box is maximum. That means I should find out f double dash x. Let's find out f double dash x. So from where you can start? You can start from here. So you are going to find out f double dash x. Okay, let's start. Now just see here, I am just going to continue over here. So this is a constant number. I will keep constant number as it is. So 3 upon 4 as it is. Derivation of 36, it is a constant number. So we will get here 0 minus derivative of a square, it is 2a. So I get here 2a. Okay, so I will just get this is equal to minus 6a upon 4. Minus 6a upon 4. Here I am getting the answer as negative. So I can directly just consider here this is less than 0. Or if you just want to just confirm whether it is here, because here one unknown is there, yes. So we can just have a substitution for a and we can just say that it is maximum or minimum. Just let's take the step. Okay, I'll just continue this step. Since here one unknown is there, I'll not just mention here less than 0. I'll just take one more step and then I'll continue. I'll just take f double dash. Here I'll take the value for a, that is 6. This is equal to minus 6 into 6 upon 4. Now again here, one negative only is there. That means it is going to be less than 0. So you can say therefore at x is equal to, continue this here, at a is equal to 6. It is maximum. At a is equal to 6, it is maximum. At a is equal to 6, it is maximum. And here we have to just do one more step, because here we have taken the function as f of x. When we take x square plus y square, we take the function as f of x. Yes, here we are just differentiating with respect to a. So we will take it as f of a. Make this x as f of a. According to the variable, we have to change. So f dash is, because here we are substituting a as 6. Yes, we are not writing x is equal to 6. So wherever you have taken x, you have to make it as 0. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. We are taking the function as f of a, because we are going to differentiate with respect to a. So we cannot write there x, because if you take x, then you have to differentiate with respect to x. So we have to take it as a. So at a is equal to 6, it is maximum. So we have completed the maximum part. That is, we have found that the answer is less than 0. So it is maximum. So now one more thing we have to find out is, we have to find out the value for h. So we can find out the value for h by using this formula right out here. Therefore, h is equal to 108 minus a is 6 square, that is 36 upon 4 into 6. 108 minus 36 upon 24 is 272 upon 24 is 3. So we have found the value for h also. So I have found the value for a, and also I have found the value for h. So just make the changes, children. We have to take the function in terms of f of a. Okay, have you completed till here? Now, what is the question? The question is to find out the dimensions of the box. That means you have to find out the length, breadth and height of the box. Therefore, length of the box is equal to 6 centimeter, because the unit here is 6 centimeter. Yeah, it's in centimeter. The length and the breadth will be the same, because the surface is in shape of square. So length of the box is 6 centimeter. Breadth of the box is equal to 6 centimeter, and we know the height of the box, that is 3 centimeter. Just take out the steps. Write on the next step. Therefore, height of the box is equal to 6 centimeter. Height of the box is equal to 3 centimeters. So length was 6, breadth is 6 and height is 3. I hope you are clear with the sum, children. So just remember to make the changes over here. Just take the function in terms of a, because we are differentiating a. Yes, children here, so don't get confused. If you are dealing with x and y, then you take f of x. The function will be defined as f of x. Here now we are talking about a and h. Yes, and I am just converting the two as symbol. That is, I am converting in terms of a only. I am not having h. So you have to take f of a, f dash a, f double dash a, and so on. Okay, children. So we have completed our sum number 10. You have one more sum for homework. You have to complete sum number 11 as your homework. So today's work is to complete sum number 8, 9 and 11. Your homework for today is sum number 8, sum number 9 and sum number 11. We have one more sum left in this exercise which will be continued in the next class. Do not keep your work pending. Complete your homeworks on time. Okay children, so we will be completing with the remaining sums in the next class.